Good morning, guys. It's Monday. We are actually on our second install. I had a vanity I did for a previous customer this morning. Just dropped it off real quick. He's a real nice guy, but I forgot to take a picture of it. This job, it's also close to our shop. It's the Hudson area. I think it's like 7 or 9 minutes from the shop. No seams, no backsplash. Basically as straightforward as you can think of. The entrance, I'll show you it once we get outside. So we had to unhook the plumbing here, and of course, you know, the vents, we'll cut that, and then they put a coupling on it so to make room for the sink. Just slid the stove out of the way on a moving blanket, as we always do, and if we do run into anything, I'll show you, you know, what it is and how we get through it, but it should be a straightforward job. Here's our entrance, guys. I was asking the guys how they thought was the best way to get it in. So we got these 4 steps right here, which I think our ramp will cover perfectly and not be too steep. We've also got a couple steps down here, which I think we can probably use the no-lift cart and just roll through the grass. If not, we'll set the no-lift cart on the grass up about halfway to prevent us from carrying the stone all the way. But by using the no lift instead of carrying it all in by hand, it's really going to help us with this island here. So we can bring it down, do the tilt on the no lift and slide it into place. And also with this L by the refrigerator, L's are always easier with the no lift. So I'll show you guys how we do that, and do the same thing we always do. Just watch it along that cabinet there. Watch it along that cabinet there. And watch the refrigerator. Alright, let's back it up. I got it. Need to go up a little bit. We'll go straight back till we kind of you can push it. There we go. Alright. So now I need to push it in that way. What's on the other side of that?
Well, I mean, we come over and do it.
Pull it over a little bit if we can do it. Just a hair, just to keep us from scratching. Oh, perfect. That's plenty. This side's going to be super easy to push. It's this side here that we're going to have issues with. We lower this down here, make sure it's off the switch. Bear with me, Dave. Alright, is that on that cabinet?
I think it needs to come up just a little bit.
Hold on, let me push this 1, 2, 3. Alright, we on? Alright, hold on. Pull the pin, Will. Slide this that way, just don't hit the refrigerator cabinet. Alright, guys, we finished the job. Just like always, I get nervous when I talk to the people and I walk out the door and forget. But I got this sink cleaned up. I used that stainless steel cleaner like I showed you guys on there. It turned out looking good, and Lowe's actually did right by the customer and gave them a discount on the sink. So everything worked out as well as it could. Like I said, the job was very simple. No big problems. The cabinets were sturdy, in good shape. Customers were nice. Really no major issues at all. So just a basic install, guys. If anybody has any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll answer them best I can. But not a whole lot to go over on this one. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, it's a Thursday. Normally we do installs on Wednesday, but customer added a mitered edge to this one, so it took me a little while to get it all together. You guys have seen the last mitered edge took me a while. This one, it turned out really good. Got a very nice customer here. So we was discussing the cabinets and all that as I came in, and I think we've got everything figured out. Her husband is 6'4", so this island is raised up pretty high. I knew it was raised because when I was checking my mitered edge to my template at the shop, I had to raise this island up high on my cart so I could check it and do a mock setup at the shop. But we're gonna set up a ramp outside. We got 3 little steps we got to go across, and we've actually only got 4 tops, and that's counting the waterfall edge. We didn't do any seams. You guys know how I do it. If I can get it without a seam, I get it without a seam. Looks better for the customers. You don't have to mix epoxy and pull your joint setters and all that on the job site. So I just think it's better all the way around. But just like always, if I run into any issues, I'll show you what they are and how we work through them. And if not, I will show you throughout the process where we're at. And then when we're finished, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll get going. All right, guys, we are, David's caulking everything out, and I got the waterfall edge set up. Tape goes pretty good to hold it in place while it's dry, and we got it good and square. You see there? Pretty good and square all the way around. So, we're rocking and rolling. All right, guys, so we got everything finished. I think everything turned out well. I think when Melissa did the templates, the cabinets weren't fully complete, and it was the first time the customers had did cabinets, so there's a few little issues, but customers are cool. They're going to take care of it, modify a few things, so it'll all work out. Over here was one thing. Would have liked that side to bump out around that a little more, but they're going to take that panel up front off and be good with it. This cabinet, a little more space in the on the waterfall edge, and I'd like to see, but they're going to add a piece back there to that. But otherwise, everything else turned out well. The customer did the cabinets himself, and he did a really good job. I think these are IKEA cabinets. They're really hard to put up. I've worked with them a few other times, and the people that had put them up didn't do such a great job. But this guy did a really good job. He had them really level. They're really stable. So not too bad. Really nice family here. Husband and wife, 2 kids. Just some great people. So it was a pleasure to work for them. Pleasure to meet them. So anyway, it is what it is. Second mitered edge I've done in about a month, or waterfall, whatever you want to call it. But guys, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you on the next one.